Hi, welcome to Airdrop Spot. In this video, we are going to be interacting with Curvance Testnet. The public face of their testnet is live and you do not need an invite code to interact with the testnet this time. But to begin with, we are going to be making use of Berachain Faucet. You are going to find the link to Berachain Faucet in the comment section for your convenience. So paste your wallet address, verify that you are human, and then tap on drip tokens, then claim your test tokens. To be able to use Berachain Faucet just like any other faucet, you need to have 0.001 ethereum on your wallet that you are using to claim the test tokens. So once you have claimed your test tokens, we are going to visit app.curvance.com. Connect with your EVM wallet. Tap on next and just follow through with the prompt until you are done with the onboarding process. Now to begin with, you are going to tap on the tap icon at the top of the screen. We have already claimed Berachain, which we are going to be using as gas fee. However, we need other tokens under Berachain. So we are going to tap on claim all so that we can claim everything with just one click, and you are going to confirm that in your wallet. Now that test tokens have been claimed successfully, what we are going to do now is to go back to the home page, then tap on markets. You can find that at the bottom of my screen right here. So there are three main markets that we can interact with. We have long BTC, short BTC, and staked ETH. I'll be choosing staked ETH. Then I am going to tap on deposit. I'll leave it at collateralized deposit. So we have LUSD to deposit. I'll choose the amount. This is what I have in my balance. I'll choose the amount of LUSD that I want to deposit. So I am depositing 1000 LUSD. I'm going to tap on approve. I'll approve that in my wallet. When the approval is successful, I'll tap on continue. I'll tap on deposit. And then confirm the deposit in my wallet. Deposit successful. Now if you scroll to the bottom, you are going to see your market cooldown timer. Until the timer expires, you cannot carry out activities like withdrawing from your deposit or repaying loan if you borrowed. So next I'm going to interact with the lend feature. I'll tap on lend. We have SWETH and I have 20 of it in my balance. I'll choose the amount of SWETH that I want to lend. I'll tap on approve. I'll tap on next and then approve in my wallet. Then I'll tap on continue. I'll tap on lend. And then confirm the lend in my wallet. Lend successful. Next I am going to interact with borrow. I'll tap on borrow. So I can borrow up to 0.237 SW8. I'll choose the amount of this token that I want to borrow. I want to borrow 75% or even 50% of the available amount. Then I'll tap on continue, I'll tap on borrow, and then confirm this borrowing in my wallet. Borrow successful. Now let's go back to the market homepage. So we just finished interacting with staked ETH, and then you can go ahead and repeat all of these interactions on short BTC and long BTC as well. I wouldn't be doing that so that I won't waste our time in this video. Now I am back on the app homepage and I'll tap on the padlock icon at the side of markets. What we want to do here is to lock CVE. So my CVE balance is showing 20. You can determine the amount of CVE that you want to lock, and you can also choose whether you want to do continuous locking or 12-month locking. So I'm going to enter the amount of CVE that I want to lock. And I'll be switching to 12 months from continuous locking. It doesn't matter whichever one that you choose, you are still on track. Then I'll tap on approve and then approve this locking in my wallet. Once this is successful, I'll tap on lock token. And I'll be confirming this lock in my wallet. Behind the scene, I also followed the same process and interacted with continuous locking. So my locking is successful. I'll go back to the home page. Now you can see a list of tasks at the top of the screen here, and we have like 9 tasks, of which 6 have been completed. So let's go and check which are the tasks that we are yet to complete. To see that, tap on that notification icon. So you can see the ones that we have completed, they are checked in purple, and the ones that we are yet to complete are not marked. So I'm going to start with the first of the 3, which is repay. I will tap on repay. To repay part of the funds that you borrowed before, you need to ensure that your market cooldown timer have expired. So here is the asset that we want to repay at the middle of the screen. Keep scrolling until you see repay button, then tap on repay. I borrowed USDC. I'm going to choose the amount out of the ones that I borrowed that I want to repay. If you remember, I borrowed 5,000 and I want to repay 75% of it. I'll tap on approve. I'll approve this in my wallet. The approval is done. I'll tap on continue. I'll tap on repay. I'll then confirm this repayment in my wallet. Repayment successful. I'll go back to the home page and back to the notification icon. Now if you check, our repay task has been marked. I'll move on to the next one. I want to withdraw this time, so I'll tap on withdraw. Here is the asset that I deposited and I want to withdraw part of it, so I'll keep scrolling until I see the withdraw button. Here is the withdraw button. I'll tap on it. I'll choose the amount from my deposit that I want to withdraw. I'll tap on continue and then confirm the withdrawal in my wallet. Withdrawal successful. I will go back to the home page and back to the notification icon. Withdrawal task has been marked as well, and lastly I'll be unlocking part of the CVE that I locked, so I'll tap on unlock CVE. So here is my current lock. Remember that I said I also did other locking behind the scene. So here is the locking that I have currently. I'll tap on manage. Then I am going to tap on early unlock. You cannot manually choose how much tokens you want to unlock. When you want to do early unlocking, you unlock everything automatically. However, you are going to lose over 90% of what you are unlocking. So I am going to confirm this in my wallet. Unlock successful. Now, once you have completed all tasks, you are going to automatically receive the feedback form for you to fill. But before filling the feedback form, let's manually check the status of all of our tasks that we have been doing. So I'll go back to the notification icon. So you can see everything have been marked as done. Now you can always go back to the feedback form anytime. To do that, just tap on feedback at the bottom of the notifications. But I'm going to be switching my browser to desktop mode to have full access to the feedback form. Note that my byte is currently showing 0. If you want to earn more testnet bytes, you need to give feedback after completing your testnet interactions. So to have access to the feedback form, just go to your notification icon and tap on feedback at the bottom. Now you can choose which chain you are trying to give your feedback on. Just tap on that tiny little menu at the top left of the screen. On this page, there are about 5 testnet features for you to provide feedback on. To provide feedback, you are going to rate the performance of each feature here on the basis of 1 to 5. And after rating on the basis of 1 to 5, you are going to provide further information through texts at the bottom of your rating. This is where the text goes. You are going to repeat the same thing for the remaining 4 features. And once you have provided all of your feedback, you are going to tap on next. So again, here is another question. You are going to provide rating. And another question, you are going to choose the option that suits your need the most. What do you look for when you want to choose a money market? Tap on next. How would you rate your experience with Curvance Testnet? If it is good, choose good. If it is bad, choose bad. Now, if you know that your feedback is valuable enough for the team to want to reach out to you for more information, then you have to provide your Discord username and your email address so that they can contact you later. Then tap on send, and that is how you interact with Curvance Testnet. Now, if you check the top of my screen, you'll see that I got 100 bytes right after providing feedback. Now that you have completed all interactions on Berachain Artio, you are going to tap on that drop down and you are going to repeat everything that we have done on Ethereum Sepolia and Arbitrum Sepolia as well. And remember to give feedback once you have completed your interactions on each chain, just like we have done with Berachain Artio. Thanks for making it to the end of today's video. If you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. And if you have found value in this video or any of my videos, then give me a like and also subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another tutorial.